There's the middle movie, How to Fix a Cracked Vinyl Dash. Well, all my life in the past, I drove nothing but used cars. And I'd drive them until they were junk. I had this 77 Mercury Cougar I got in 1978. It was off-lease car. I liked that car. This is 1977. I probably kept it till around 87, maybe 1989. Anyways, by then I had a cracked dash. How did I fix it? Well, my car was already old by the time the dash cracked, right? A new car is not going to, the dash is not going to crack. I went to the junkyard, took my tools with me, and found another Cougar in the junkyard with a nice dash. I took that dash off that had no cracks in it and put it on my other car. I mean, you got to have some mechanical skill and time to do that. But that's how I fixed a cracked dash. I just went to the junkyard and got another dash. I think that dash is like $10, $15 from the junkyard. Nice, pretty, with no cracks in it.